The bridge is just a few minutes down this path. We're getting out of civilization right now. The only people around here are homeless people, and they live all throughout these woods. So if we can make it through without any weird and strange encounters, then we should be fine. We're almost there. This is the way up right here. I can get up here and maybe walk along this ledge and then climb up there. So we're gonna see if that works out, and if it doesn't, then I don't have a way up. And I might have to go across the road over there. But hopefully this works out. Okay, so here's something funny. I made it over. I don't know why the fuck my camera didn't record that. I need to get to that rope right there to get to that ladder right there. I'm quite too short to get to that rope right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go find a big stick and see if I can get it back down here. Are you kidding me? There we go. Okay. Made it back with the stick. There we are. Oh, this is so sketchy. I'm like right in the open right here. Yeah, this is no good. All right, it's almost dusk. Let's give it a second shot. Definitely a lot less light right now. Okay, we're up by the second ladder. We're in uncharted territory now. This is attempt number 3. Let's fucking go. It's completely pitch black. I can't even shine my phone light that much because I can't risk getting seen. All right, here's the other side. Oh fuck, what is that? That's a huge ass spider. What the fuck was that? Oh, holy fuck. Spider, bro. Oh my god, that thing was massive. Holy fuck. Well, anyway, we're at the second arch now. This is a huge bridge. This thing was built in 1923. Some of the only other people that have been up here were the workers that built the bridge. And those people are long gone now. But yeah, attempt number 3 success. Time to make it back through that dark ass creepy tunnel without getting bit by a spider. Let's go. Spider stick activated. Oh my god, you can go in the bridge too? Where does this go? Okay, so before I came in through there, but apparently you can go on top here. Where does this go? I don't think it goes anywhere. Let's go back. It's actually freaking me the fuck out. This shit is so spidery. Okay, back down here we go. All right, back down the never-ending ladders, huh? All right, here we are.